Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I am Muhammad Sajid and you are watching my YouTube channel Learn with Muhammad Sajid. I say welcome to all of you in my YouTube channel. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear audience, I have completed exercise 5.2 of the mathematics books of class 7th. And before moving towards exercise 5.3, there are some important topics and concepts which I think very necessary to understand and to learn. The first important topic which I have to present before you, it is topic number 5.3, and the heading of this topic is Zakat and Ushar. So what is Zakat and what is Ushar? We are going to read this paragraph, and inshallah after reading we will understand a little bit about the concept of Zakat. Zakat is one of the 5 pillars of Islam. Zakat refers to the purification of wealth. It is monetary worship which has to be paid by all Muslims who meet the necessary criteria of wealth at the end of each year. Every Sahib Nisab Muslim has to pay Zakat for the total value of his savings and assets. The assets on which Zakat is applicable may be in the form of money, gold, silver, as well as on the animals that are used to earn money. So important points, we have to note it down. Zakat is a monetary worship. Monetary means relating to money, relating to rupees or wealth. So it is known as monetary worship. Zakat is a monetary worship which is paid by Muslims who have wealth up to a certain amount. The amount of zakat can be distributed among the needy or poor people of society who don't have sufficient means to live their life. According to the Islam, the fixed rate of zakat is 2.5%. Some other important point we have to note, the amount of wealth in the form of gold, silver, money or animals which makes one liable for zakat is called nisab. Nisab is the amount of wealth. Another point, according to Islam, every Muslim who has the wealth equivalent to the value of 7.5 tola of gold or 25.5 tola of silver for more than 1 year is liable to pay zakat. Yes, example, you have to, you can see this example and try to understand and solve this. I'm going to read next point, quick check. Find the total amount of the zakat on the yearly savings of rupee 95,900. So this is a quick check for you. You have to find the amount of zakat. Next important topic we are going to understand before exercise 5.3. This is Ushar. What is Ushar? Ushar is the zakat paid by Muslims, farmers, on their agricultural products. Ushar is charged at the rate of 10% on agricultural production if irrigated by natural water, sources like springs, rivers, rainfall, etc. And 5% if irrigated by artificial means like tube wells, canals, etc. So here is an example, questions relating to find the amount of Ushar. This is example, and it is hadith from Sahih Muslim 16, hadith number 16. I'm going to read it. For Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, Al-Islam is raised on 5 pillars, testifying the fact that there is no God but Allah, that Muhammad is his bondsman and messenger, and the establishment of prayers, payment of zakat, pilgrimage to the house, and the fact of Ramadan. This is up till now. We will meet in next video inshallah. Till then, take care of you. Don't forget to subscribe. Learn with Muhammad Sajid. Allah Hafiz. In the end, I would like to say thanks for watching. Keep learning, keep growing. Subscribe for more lessons. Learn with Muhammad Sajid.